This is Tony Novak here to share a few points on how to stay out of tax trouble. Let's jump right in. Today's topic is why it is so important to check your pay stub tax withholdings now. And by now, I mean early in the year. I just finished a pay stub tax review for a client, and that's what sparked this today's topic. Here we are into the midway through the fourth month of the year, and a client, we're preparing a tax return, and a client is surprised that he owes money on federal income taxes from last year. When I looked at the W-2, it was fairly easy to see. The withholding rate was less than 5% of his income. And whether you're a tax expert or not, most people know that the federal government charges you more than 5% of your income as a tax payment. Almost everybody pays more than 5%. And so he was coming up a little bit short. After reviewing his last pay stub of last year, just to double check the W-2, which is a smart idea when there's concern about possible irregularity. That looked fine. Then I looked at his current pay stub for this month of April 2022. And what we see then is that about 10% or more of his earnings are coming from a bonus, and the bonus is not being taxed. It's run through a separate accounting system, probably, and not tied in with the regular paycheck tax withholdings. I see that more and more common, particularly when you have a job where it's partly based on hourly and then partly based on bonus. And when there's another company, sometimes a parent company or a vendor kicking in for some of that bonus, we see this mess up in taxes. The solution is really easy. In this case, the paycheck is issued by a popular ADP, in this case, a popular payroll company. It's easy to log onto their portal for your payroll portal, go to the change withholding rate, and in this case, he needs to add $40 per paycheck extra withholding, and the problem will be solved. It's as simple as that. So I urge you, if you get a W-2, look at the pay stub. If you're not comfortable with that calculation, somebody like me can be a big help. Thanks for showing up. If you like what you saw and want to see more like it, I invite you to follow me or subscribe.